Hello everyone, Sammy Benjamin from Storyblok, here to talk to you about Figma. There once was a time when devs were manually creating every single block, every single component, spending countless hours on a task that should be automated. Well, that's what we did. We've bridged the gap between designers and developers. Let's get into it. So first things first, you have to activate the Figma to Storyblok plugin within Figma. This can be done on the desktop app or the web version. So once you open your design file, you can click on the Actions button at the bottom of your screen, click on Plugins and Widgets, and search for Figma to Storyblok. You will need a personal access token as part of the configuration process. You can get this within the Storyblok app. So head into Account, Account Settings, and Personal Access Token to generate a new one. It will automatically be copied, and you can head back to Figma, paste it, and you're ready to go. So looking at our designs here, we have various components. You can think of these as like full sections in a sense. But what makes up these full components are many individual blocks. Things like a headline, description, images, CTA, a button. You get the picture. We can export these individual blocks by selecting one, seeing it appear in the plugin. Then we can add the necessary information and click Export. Let's do the rest of the individual blocks within this component. Now back in the Storyblok app, we can enter the block library and see all of our newly created blocks here. One of my favorite parts about this is if you hover over any of the blocks that were exported from Figma, the image preview is automatically pulled over as well. No more exporting the images, organizing your files, uploading to Storyblok, and setting the correct image for each preview. This is now automatic. Now back in Figma, let's walk through exporting an entire component. So you can select the full component, and you'll see within the plugin, all of the fields and/or blocks are already showing here. Next to Hero, I'll change this from a nestable component to a content type block. Now you can add the applicable field name, and if necessary, change the field type by clicking here. Let's fill out the rest. After exporting, refresh your Storyblok space, and you'll see your newly created component within the block library. Hovering over it, you'll see the full preview, and when you open it, you'll see all of the individual blocks that make up the full component. So, the Figma to Storyblok integration drastically simplifies and speeds up your organization within the block library. Thank you for watching, and if you find this plugin helpful, make sure to let us know.